Hey, welcome to Dow Stock Talk, where I talk about topics relating to investing and finance, but more specifically, the stocks. Now, in this video, I'll be going over the easiest ways new investors can buy cryptocurrency. In this video, I'll be going over the easiest ways new investors or newbies can buy cryptocurrency. So I tried to pick platforms that the interface was very simple, easy to buy, platforms that a lot of people may already be familiar with to speed up the process so you can at least have cryptocurrency as soon as possible. But before I get into it, make sure you smash the like button because it helps the YouTube algorithm. It helps YouTube know that this is quality content and helps my videos reach a broader audience. Also, I just wanted to mention, if you're a big fan of finance and investing, make sure you check out my store, Wall Street Stock Apparel. If you're interested, just check the description below. And by the way, let's jump into it. I just want to also let you guys know that for each one, I'm just going to briefly go over the process so you'll know how to buy using each platform. The easiest platform I know in which you can buy cryptocurrency is Cash App. With Cash App, it's literally 3 clicks. And with Cash App, you only can buy Bitcoin. Now, the thing about it is, I wouldn't personally recommend buying Cash App on long term. But if you just want easy access, it's literally 3 clicks. Matter of fact, I'm even going to show you how easy it is. Now, this is how you end up doing it in Cash App. It's super easy. You just go the squiggly line at the bottom. Then you make sure it's on, that's stocks. This is Bitcoin. What we're going to do is buy. Click buy. And then what we're just going to do, I'm just doing a quick example. So we're just going to end up doing $1. Next. I have it where you can enter a particular code. But boom, once I enter the code, boom, dollar amount. And also the thing about it, I just wanted to let you know, when you buy it on Cash App, most likely they're going to execute it at a much higher price. So you're going to get a smaller amount. So as far as getting the big bangs for your buck, I would not recommend buying a lot of Bitcoin long term on Cash App. But if you just simply want an easy way in which you can own some Bitcoin, Cash App to me seems like it's the easiest way. A lot of people already have it. You don't have to do a whole lot of you don't have to fill out all the information and all that stuff because you already have it. So the easiest way possible I know is Cash App. Now, so the next up is PayPal. I know a lot of people are already familiar with it. That's why I threw it out there. So with PayPal, you can now buy cryptocurrency. And it's literally within 3 clicks. So if you already have PayPal, you can just go on your PayPal account and end up buying it. And it's already known for a safe platform and you can use to transfer money. So since you already have the platform, you can now buy it on PayPal. Okay, so this is once you end up signing on to your PayPal account, it's super easy that you have a big thing where it say buy Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency, or you can just click crypto at the top. We're going to click crypto at the top. Once you end up hitting buy, you can hit $5, and once you hit buy now, and that's pretty much it. It says congratulations, you earned Bitcoin. Next up, a lot of people are already familiar with this platform as far as an investing platform, but Robinhood, very easy platform you can use. With Robinhood, you can buy I think 6 or 7 different cryptocurrency. It's super easy to buy. If you're also interested and you haven't signed up, I got a referral link. Just wanted to throw that out there where you can get a free stock and I can get a free stock. But with Robinhood, it's super easy, nice interface, and you can buy cryptocurrency in a matter of seconds. So once you end up getting to your account, which you can just end up saying, click crypto. So these are the crypto for altcoins and these are the Bitcoin family. We're just going to click in the Bitcoin family. And as you can see, these are the Bitcoins we can end up buying. So what we'll do is, just to give you a quick example, we'll end up buying it. We'll end up buying $5 worth. Swipe up. End up swiping up. And boom. That's how easy it is. Next up, this particular one is out of all the ones. So if you were thinking about really getting into cryptocurrency, especially buying large amounts, I probably would go with this one. It's Coinbase. So Coinbase is a platform specifically designed to buy and sell. So as far as the catalog in which you can end up buying, a lot. And this is probably one of the most well-known cryptocurrency sites out there. I do want to mention the only downside about it, even though it has an easy interface, they do charge you a small fee to buy and sell. But for beginner purposes, I think this is a good platform that you can easily buy cryptocurrency. But if you wanted to kind of waive the fees a little bit and you get a little bit more experience, I would get Coinbase Pro. Therefore, you don't have to pay any fees, or the fees are very small. On Coinbase, this is how you would end up buying it. As you can see, they have a watch list of a lot of cryptocurrency coins you can end up going with. So with this one, let's just say we're probably going to end up buying Stellar. As you can see, they even show the graph and stuff. What we end up doing is buy. So I'm just going through this example. So what I'm going to actually just do is just, for example, I'm going to buy $10 of this one. It preview and it shows you the fee that they charged and the amount that we got. And boom, it says I successfully bought on this one. So as you can see, when I go to my Stellar account, I already had $8.78 from my free ones, but they got the $10 that I just end up buying. So I have $18.78 worth of it. That's how simple it would be on Coinbase. And last but not least, I feel like a lot of people are familiar with this platform. It's eToro. A lot of people use it to copy trade. It's kind of like a social platform, but they also have a lot of cryptocurrency in which you can buy, and the process is very simple. So this is eToro. So if we wanted to order it on eToro, as you can see, you have a much larger selection. So what we're going to end up doing is we're going to buy Ethereum. Click buy. Now all you want to also make sure that this has amounts right there and not units. See where it says units and the amount. So what we're going to do is we're going to end up saying we got the $25 minimum. We scroll down and put open order, share, boom. And then when we check our portfolio, boom, we now own $25 of this particular coin. As you can see, the price is fluctuated and the process is very simple. But that concludes this video. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the like button. If you do, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also, let me know what you think about cryptocurrency or your favorite cryptocurrency.